Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for a jaw-dropping iPhone 13 Pro Max Touch IC reballing repair. Are you tired of dealing with touch issues on your prized device? Well, hold on to your seats because we've got a game changer in store for you. Say goodbye to unresponsive screens and erratic touches. Our skilled technicians work their magic with surgical precision, reballing the Touch IC to perfection. And boom! Your iPhone 13 Pro Max is back in action, faster and smoother than ever before. No more lagging, no more delays. It's like having a brand new phone right in the palm of your hand. Our Touch IC reballing turns your iPhone 13 Pro Max into an unstoppable force of technology. Don't let touch issues hold you back any longer. Tap the link in our bio and get your iPhone 13 Pro Max Touch IC reballing repair scheduled today. Join the ranks of our ecstatic customers and experience the magic yourself.